So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the speaker icon and then click on select a sound output. If you do see your headphones, you want to select it. Now you want to go back and make sure that you have this turned up and that this is not muted. For the second method, you want to go to search and type in S&D VOL. Click on it. Make sure that the application that you want to use is not muted. If it is, then you want to turn it up and you want to unmute this. For the next method, you want to unplug and then plug back in your headphones into a different USB port or a different audio jack if you have one. For the next method, you want to check your headphones. Maybe you have a button on your headphones that will mute all the noise, so you want to click on that button which will unmute it. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find audio. Click on run. And now this will come up, the audio troubleshooter. Click on yes to run the diagnostics. You want to go through all the steps that will come up here and then see if that works for you. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. You want to find your headphones, right click on it, and then click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. See if that works. For the last method, just do a simple restart of your computer. Hopefully, one of these methods would have fixed your problem.